Hi, my name is Alice Bowmaker, and thank you so much for listening. This is a meditation that will connect us into our feminine energy and the present moment. Enjoy. Take a moment to close your eyes, relax your shoulders, relax your jaw, and all the muscles in the face. And bring your awareness down into your body, feeling the sensations of your entire body and letting the mind rest from all the planning and analyzing, working out if something is good or bad, and drop into this feminine space of surrender and allowing and flow as you observe the body in this present moment, allowing all sensations to be here. And leaving behind the masculine mind which judges whether something is good or bad. Allowing all to be here. Surrendering to whatever life looks like at the moment. Letting go of plans or trying to change or be better. Welcoming everything in this moment. Feeling the sensations of your entire body and allowing yourself to rest in this present moment. Open to the now and all that this moment brings. Flowing with wherever life has ended you in this moment, appreciating the lessons and the gifts, even if they aren't something you've planned or calculated. Zooming out from your life in this moment, and appreciating this moment that you got to in the entirety of your life. All of the challenges along the way that taught you lessons, life lessons, that helped you to grow. And just allowing yourself to pause in this moment here, coming out of that leaning forwards motion and just coming to sit and feel the body in this present moment. It's okay to pause. We don't always have to be productive. Allowing yourself to just be here, feeling the body, letting the mind soften as the awareness is in the body. And with that open, soft mind, there's space for the new to effortlessly drop in new creations, new ideas, new inspiration. But for now, don't try to find that creativity, just empty the vessel of the mind and come into the body, feeling your whole body and the variety of sensations. All is welcome. Softening more into that experience. And let's come into some breath work now. So we're breathing in for 4 counts and breathing out for 6 counts. Breathing in 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coming back to your normal breath. And feeling a golden light beaming down and surrounding your body, feeling its softness and warmth, creating a protective space so you can relax and you can be here now, safe to just stop and be present. Feeling that golden light beaming down and surrounding your whole body, softening those edges, relaxing the shoulders even more, and bringing you to a place of safety. And keeping that golden light beaming down and surrounding you, we're going to go back to the breath. You're breathing in for 4 counts. And as you breathe out for 6 counts, you imagine a rose is blooming down through the pelvic floor. So breathing in for 4 and out through the nose or mouth, relaxing the pelvic floor and feeling or imagining that rose unfurling. Breathing in 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And coming back to your normal breath now. Finishing off with a few affirmations, little reminders to ourselves to shift our perspective into our feminine energy. So in your mind, repeating the words, I surrender to this present moment and all that life is offering me. I surrender to the flow of life. I allow things to change and evolve, and I'm open to the gifts that's offered to me. I soften to the experience of life as I surrender and allow and trust. Wonderful. And let's take 3 cleansing breaths, breathing in, out through the mouth, breathing in, out through the mouth, breathing in and out through the mouth, and gently wiggling the fingers and the toes, coming back into the room, but keeping that sense of anchoredness in your body, and then opening your eyes when you're ready. Thank you very much for joining me. My name is Alice Bowmaker. You can find out more about me at alicebowmaker.com, and I offer retreats, workshops and one-to-one sessions with women.